So yesterday I met up with Graham, the owner of Focus Films, to help him get his website to move up in Google. So what we did is we changed the title tag, we changed the H1 tag, and we changed the meta description, which you actually see in Google. And by doing that, we moved up to number 3. So now we're going to try to implement schema. So schema data basically tells Google a lot more about your business. It tells them, where are you located, who's your target audience, what's your hours, you know, what's your social media, stuff like that. So we're going to implement that today and see where it goes tomorrow. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the code. We're going to go back to our website. Let's see. It's this one. Here we go. So we're going to add schema to this page. So we'll click on advanced, and then we're going to put it here. So this is header, the header section. You can do schema on each page. Please give me a script code I can copy and paste. So basically what that's doing is that's going to add a script tag to it so that it works. So I'm going to let it write it, and then I'm going to copy it, and then I'll go back and pop it in there. You can see all this is useful information. So what I did is I had ChatGPT ask me questions, and then it filled all this stuff out for me. And it should be done any second now. So it asks you questions like, do you have a video? What's the link to video? What's the description? Give me a link to your logo. Give me your main keywords. If you have any specific videos with that, do that. So these are our top 3 services that we want to showcase in the breadcrumb list. So it's generating that along with the portfolio and about. And it looks like we are done. So I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to go back over here, and I'm going to update it now and delete that code. We'll put this code in. See, now we have our script tags, and then we're going to click save. And now we want to go validate it. So we'll go validate schema code. And then we just open this up and test your data. So we're going to put focusfilms.com test URL. And you'll see that it adds all that schema. And then I'm going to go back to Google Search Console and submit it so that Google will crawl it and get to work on it. So you can see 11 items were detected, some were invalid. So local business, let's see what it's complaining about. Unknown item, missing image, name. Huh. It looks like it will work. I'm not really sure. Unnamed item, missing field name, image. I think that's fine. That's just saying that we don't have those fields. We didn't put them because it was redundant. because it combined all these different schemas into one. So now that we have that, we're going to go over into our Google Search Console. And then we're just going to resubmit our website one more time. So we're going to go focusfilms.com. It says it's in Google, but right here we're going to request indexing once more. And then we're going to let it simmer, and hopefully that'll help us move up from number 3 to possibly number 2 or 1. If nothing else, we're giving Google more data. So it's going to help us pop up for more terms because we're providing data that those other businesses are not. The 2 competitors that was outranking us are national brands, and they are, they just have more links coming back to them. So it's kind of hard to compete with that. But also, this is a opportunity for us to outbeat them because they may or may not have this built in. We shall see.